So if someone asked you how you'd connect car body parts without using welding, especially if they're not steel, what would you say? BMW's always been kind of a trailblazer when it comes to doing things differently. They're all about jumping into new tech with both feet, whether it's using laser headlights or coming up with body panels that can change shape. As you're checking out pics of BMW's fully automated factory, let me fill you in on one of their coolest ideas. To make their cars lighter and stronger, instead of sticking with old school welding or riveting, they started using a special adhesive called Betalink, sometimes referred to as blue glue. These days, car companies are all about cutting down on weight to boost the power-to-weight ratio. This means faster cars that also burn less fuel. If you think about it, thick body panels are a thing of the past. Even steel is getting swapped out for lighter stuff like carbon fiber or aluminum. A lot of the car body is made from these lightweight materials, and traditional welding just doesn't cut it anymore. For example, you can't weld carbon fiber. Rivets and screws are also kind of heavy, so they don't really fit the whole "let's make it lighter" vibe, but sometimes they were used anyway. Then, in the 2000s, BMW decided to glue their cars together, literally. Strong industrial adhesives had been around for a while, but no car manufacturer had actually used them in mass production. BMW proved that gluing metal parts together could be even stronger than welding, and it also shaved off about 10% of the car's weight. This was a big win for fuel efficiency and safety. Plus, these glue joints ended up being about 30% stronger than welded spots in strength tests, which is pretty awesome. And the best part? It meant they could ditch some of the heavy steel and design lighter bodies using all these new materials. They first tried out this tech on the 2001 7 Series, then on the 2003 5 Series, and eventually other car makers caught on. Now it's pretty standard. Usually, a typical 1,500 kilograms car has around 30 to 50 kilograms of welding. Swapping that out for strong, lightweight glue can make a huge difference. Of course, welding isn't going away entirely. There are still parts where you need it. But we've got BMW's bold moves to thank for this game-changing tech. And here's a fun fact. You can even get these adhesives aftermarket. So if you ever need to swap out a body part, you can still bond aluminum, plastic, reinforced carbon fiber, or whatever else perfectly.